Hey guys, this is just a quick tip with using the Liquify tool that I use a lot, and I'm going to use Expand. In a lot of my drawings I use it to push things around. That's fairly easy enough, but Expand is also very, very useful. So what I use it for is, for example, his snout is a little small, so I could use the selection tool. Oops. I could use the selection tool in freehand and go around it to make it bigger and smaller. You know, something like this. Make it bigger and smaller depending on how I want his snout to be. But also Liquify and Expand right here works very well if I want to give him a bigger snout. So I'll just tap right here in the middle. It just gives him a little bit of a bigger snout. Now I'll go back so you can see the difference. Now it looks pretty extreme when I do it this way, but you really won't notice it. Like if I just leave it this way, you probably wouldn't notice it. I think it looks better with a bigger snout. I'm going to make his nose a little bit bigger, so I'm going to concentrate it a little bit more on the nose area. So he has a nice big nose like me. So I'll just slightly tap and just make all this a little bit bigger. Make the size a little bit bigger too. So then he has a little bit of a bigger snout to kind of match his partner here. And also you can use Liquify. You can use push here if you see some other things that need to be kind of adjusted a little bit. So things like that. Actually his nose needs a lot of work. So I'm going to use smudge. And just sort of fix that up a little bit. So definitely take advantage of Liquify here, and Expand, Pinch, Twist, Twirl, Push. I use them a lot, so once you kind of get used to how you can cheat with them, and you can do a lot of cheating. With Push, you can make the brush really, really big and sort of adjust big areas if you need to. So it's a very, very useful tool, and hopefully that was a little bit of help. Catch you guys in the next one.